Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you curried corn biscuits. For the filling, place the butter in a sauté pan on medium heat. When the butter melts, add in the onions and sauté for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and add in the corn, curry powder, and salt. Stir well until combined and divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and set aside to cool. To make the dough, grate the butter using a box grater. Place the grated butter in the freezer to harden. Once the butter is hardened, place the flour in a large bowl, add in the baking powder, powdered sugar, and salt, then mix well. Add in the frozen butter and buttermilk and lightly mix just until a bumpy dough forms. Place the dough on a floured surface. Press down the dough into a 6-inch by 6-inch square. Then lift up the left half and fold it onto the right half, forming a rectangle. Fold the top half onto the bottom half, creating a thick square. Press the dough down again into 6-inch by 6-inch square. Cut the square vertically in half, then each half in half again to form 4 squares. Place the biscuit on a baking sheet about 1 inch apart. Using a spoon, press the center of each square down to form a shallow depression and place 1 portion of the corn mixture in each depression. Brush the surface of the biscuit with the melted butter and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes and enjoy. For this recipe and more, please visit kta superstores.com/recipes.